The small Mercedes SUV. Lights definitely needed some attention. So here we go. Typical faded tops, yellowed out, haze. Look at this. It made the Mercedes look old. The right side is the same here. Look at this transformation I'm going to show you in a second. Look at this. You can't do this with a kit. Awesome, right? If you're in South Florida and in need of a headlight restoration, we are mobile. We come to you, to your home or office. Just give us a call. Text us your pictures. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. We travel to Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach County. Give us a call today or text us the photos of your headlights. Thank you.